Welcome to all. This is session 24 and it will give an insight into VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP in Excel function is used to look up and retrieve data from a specific column in table. VLOOKUP supports approximate and exact matching, and V stands for vertical lookup. Similarly, we do have HLOOKUP, and that is called as horizontal lookup. And the purpose to use this is to look up for a value in a table by matching on the first column. And the syntax runs like this, wherein the formula can be equal to VLOOKUP, open brackets, select the value, comma, select the table, comma, give the index reference, comma, and 0 or 1, that is for exact match or similar match. And this formula is also embedded in the tab. So if one can look at the formulas, here select the lookup function and we can find VLOOKUP very much in the selection. Once we select VLOOKUP, the function argument is also auto-populated and one has to select the data corresponding to each field and can arrive at the VLOOKUP. So let's understand the same with the help of an example. Consider the given data here, wherein I have the name, department, employee ID, address and mobile. And if I want to generate only the addresses here, and if the data is jumbled up, for that matter the data is huge also, it is a daunting task to pick up the required data from a master data. Hence, VLOOKUP is very useful to arrive at this selection. How to do so? Select the cell where you want the data, click on the lookup reference, select VLOOKUP. It is auto-populated. In the first field, select the cell reference where you want the data. In the second field, cover the master data. In the third field, one has to put the column number. So for example, A is column 1, B is column 2, C is column 3, D is column 4 and E is column 5. And I want address. Okay, and address is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to put the column number and put 0. And then say OK. You can see that address has been derived, and just drag the answer and you get the complete answer for all the required details. So this is how VLOOKUP is used. So now dear students, is how you have observed that VLOOKUP is a very useful and important function. That's all for today. I shall meet you with a new example in the next session. Thank you.